So far, you've built visuals and dashboards in Power BI, but to make them truly powerful, you need to add interactivity. That's what this lesson is all about. In this video, you'll learn how to use filters, slicers, and drill-through to let users explore data dynamically and answer their own questions. In Power BI, filters exist at 3 levels. Visual-level filters that apply only to one chart or table, page-level filters that apply to all visuals on the current page, and report-level filters that apply to the entire report across all pages. You can access filters in the Filters pane on the right. Slicers are like user-friendly filters placed directly on the canvas. To add a slicer, select the slicer visual, drag in a field like year or product category, and now users can click to filter all visuals on the page. You can format slicers as lists, drop-downs, or sliders. You can also sync slicers across report pages for consistent filtering. Drill down allows users to see data at different levels of detail. For example, a column chart showing sales by year can drill into quarters, months, and days if your date field has a hierarchy. Use the drill icons on charts to explore deeper levels. Drill through takes this further. It lets you right-click a data point in one visual and jump to a detailed page filtered to that item. To set it up, create a new page, add detailed visuals, and drag a field like customer name into the drill-through section of the Filters pane. Now right-click a customer on your main page and drill into a dedicated Customer Details page. Here's a workflow. On your main dashboard, add slicers for year and product category, a bar chart for sales by region, and a line chart for revenue over time. Then create a drill-through page with tables of orders and KPIs like total revenue and profit margin. Now users can click and dive deeper into the data. Remember to format filters and slicers cleanly, consistent colors, reasonable sizes, and sliders for dates where needed. Best practices. Don't overload dashboards with too many slicers. Use report-level filters for security and design drill-through pages to answer specific questions quickly. Recap. You learned about filter levels, adding slicers, drill down in visuals, drill through pages, and best practices. Now your reports are interactive tools, not just static dashboards. In the next video, we'll take DAX further and explore time intelligence, learning to calculate year-to-date, quarter-to-date, and same period last year metrics. See you there!